everyone, it is Katya with Lunar Sun Creations, and I am here with a tutorial for you. So this is a new kind of project for me. I have never done like a home decor storage piece before, so that's what this is, and I love the way it turned out. I think it turned out really cool. It was a lot of trial and error, but I got it, and I think it turned out awesome, and I hope you love it. So it is a 12 by 8 by 8 chipboard box that is meant, it's decorated and everything to look like a steamer trunk, and it's got inside the steamer trunk there's a drawer. When you pull the drawer open, another box flips up for extra photos, and then on the sides there are two more boxes for more albums. So you can store 3 6x6 albums in this box, or you could store whatever you want inside of it. There's a drawer and 2 boxes, 3 boxes I guess if you include the flip box. For those of you who saw my pick and choose page design tutorial, the last one that I put out, those albums were created specifically to fit inside this steamer trunk. I thought maybe you'd want to see my eyes. So, I mean, any 6x6 album, if its spine is narrow enough, will fit inside the drawer and the boxes of the steamer trunk. But I think it's really cool, and I show you the construction of the trunk itself, and then I go over 2 different ways to decorate it, because I did one way to decorate it in the portion of the tutorial where I was taking all the photos, and then I decorated it a completely different way when I was doing the video portion. So there's 2 different ways to decorate it, and it's in my Etsy shop now. I'll put a link in the description below to the trunk tutorial and also to the pick and choose page design tutorial. If anyone would like to be featured on my channel with a project that they have used using one of my tutorials, please email me a little video and your name and what tutorial you followed, and I'd love to start featuring people on my channel. I'm super shocked that no one has done this yet. No one sent in any videos, and I know there's a lot of people out there who have made incredible projects, so if you want to share them, please let me know. Okay, I will stop talking and show you the trunks, and you guys are amazing, and big hugs, and I hope you're having an incredible day. Bye! That was cheesy, wasn't it? Bye. Okay, so here is my vintage steamer trunk. I'm going to try very hard to keep it in frame and show you everything, but with the camera angle above me it's a little bit difficult. But this is the one version. I made 2 versions of the decorating. So the trunk itself, the construction is the same, but I did 2 completely different versions on the decor. So that's what it looks like on the outside, and then this lid lifts up, and so that's what it looks like on the inside. Just going to bring it forward so you can see the lid there. I decorated this one with Bo Bunny, the Bo Bunny collection, Somewhere in Time. Not sure if it's even still available. It is a very old collection, so I'm not quite sure. So there are 2 boxes on the side here, and they fit a 6x6 album, or you can put whatever you like in there, really. And so those go out to the side, and then you've got a drawer down here. I'll just kind of show you the front of the drawer. So the drawer down there. So when you pull on the drawer, it gets out to here, and then it pulls that box up. So this box is an extra storage box. It's magnetized, and let's see if I can pull it forward again. So this one is the perfect size for all those extra photos that won't fit in one of the albums in the other 3 areas. So that flips up, and then when you close the drawer, it goes back down again. So just see if I can show you that one more time. So when you pull it all the way, it flips it up. So I'll just quickly show you the other version that I made. This one's kind of a little bit more streamlined kind of trunk. And then the other one, it's a little bit more like a, almost like a treasure chest kind of vibe. So I did like a technique that kind of, I hope, looks like aged wood, and then I got a leather jacket from a thrift store and just wrapped chipboard pieces in leather. So I show you in the tutorial, I show you the painting techniques for both the wood and for the metal look of the other one. So when you open this one up, it's the same deal, like it looks the same inside except for different paper. So it's got the same layout. So there's the lid, and then the two side boxes, and then when you pull on the drawer, when you open this drawer, there's a ribbon down here. You put an album inside on top of the ribbon, and then lay the rest of it on top. When you want to take the album out again, you just lift up on that ribbon, and it makes it easy to pull the album back out. So one of them goes in the drawer, and then the other two fit snug as a bug into the side pockets. So we've got an album there, and then you've got an album inside the drawer, and then you've got this flip box that is for extra photos, etc., that won't fit inside any of the albums. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. Big hugs. Bye!